A warm good afternoon and good morning to people from India. So we are Team Mind Vendors. I'm Manu Narayanan K from Team Mind Vendors, and myself and my team member Mani would be covering the presentation today and for the theme Smart Stadium. So we have really had a look at the problem statement, and we want to narrow down our approach on giving a very real, smart, and digital experience to the fans, like focusing on how do we give them a safe, quick, and easy, and especially in a COVID scenario, contactless access to the stadiums. And how do we do they really get a TV like experience in the stadium? No. And can they, if they miss a particular moment of the match or an event, can they go back and revisit and enjoy those? Probably not. So this is what we propose to fix this and give a pure digital experience for the customers. And for this experience for a customer, we need three key elements: the right hardware, which is IoT beacons, the Wi-Fi points, and all other sensors and that we need; the right network, and Telstra's 5G is going to provide that for us; and the right software. And we don't have to reinvent the wheel there because we already have the Marvel Stadium app, and all we need to fit in the right features onto the Marvel Stadium app to make it a truly smart experience. And let us show you how we envision the journey of that fan experience is going to be. Right from the moment they book the ticket to traveling to the stadium, watching the entire match or an event, and to the moment they finish the game and go home, it has to be truly smart. Booking tickets, AR assisted navigations, so that you don't have to ask anybody how to reach your spot or your parking spot, booking your parking spot, ordering everything's online, and then you will get a notification when your things are ready, merchandise, food, refreshments, uh, checking if the restrooms are not crowded. And then how do we create the experience when you are watching the game live, right? We will provide a fan chat. You can connect all the people in the stadium, have fun chats, uh, and specific accessibility requirements for differently abled. Everything can be brought in through one click. And we have had a look at the current app, and we have identified the key points where we need enhancements and where we need to build in the new features. And enough of theory. We have built a working model of an app with 3 or 4 features that we have already proposed here. We want you to see and feel how it looks like. Over to you, Mani, for the demo.
Yeah, thanks, Manu. I hope you can see my iPhone here. This is the
Yep.
Marvel Stadium lookalike application. As soon as I open the app, we have the home tab here. This is the personalized section we are going to propose to the customer, because not Julian might see it different, and a different user can see it in a different way. So it's all about that personalization, which we are trying to propose by analytics which we are collecting from the mobile app as well as the stadium. So this is how the personalized section would look. And let me navigate to the user experience section. So this tab, we are trying to get gamification as well, apart from the basic stats which we have, like the scoreboard, match reports, and all these things. Apart from all that, we would like to bring gamification here to increase and even give the better experience to the customers. One of that is the fan chat. So the fan chat is one space you can tell where you have your stadium fans from the stadium, fans from all over the world in one area, and they can just present their views there. They can support all their teams, whosoever team they're supporting. They can just, they can give proper comments there, all these things. So right now, my colleagues are trying to give the real-time messages there. This is a real-time integration we have done with Firebase. Apart from the messages, what we are trying to integrate in the future rounds is we want to bring fan selfies, fan views, polls, prediction for the match, everything, whatnot, just to make the experience even better. It's virtual, but we are connecting both the stadium and the fans who are watching from their homes. So the next section we have here is the 360-degree tour. Given the pandemic, physical tours are not like what it was before. So what we tried to do is bring that experience to the app itself. Right now, what we did is we have picked 4 different places in the stadium, and we tried to integrate the Google Street Views directly here, so that if I just have to see where my seat is, suppose it's in aisle 14, I can just see the 3D view of it. Oh, what experience am I getting in terms of the view to the ground and where I would be sitting. So this is one of the things we are trying to bring to the application. Also, one more thing is the VR. So one other thing, not everyone can make it to the stadium. Sometimes even in the stadium, I might miss a moment and I would like to watch it from a different angle. So this is where we think VR can play a huge role. So this is the VR. This is a sample one which we have added here. So as soon as I click the cardboard icon here, and let me change it to landscape. So if we put this phone in a VR cardboard box, we will have the VR experience. What we are trying to bring here is for the initial stage, at least, we are trying to bring the replays, at least, say, for example, a goal which has been considered from a different angle. So this will increase the experience for the people who are in the stadium, as well as people who are watching from their homes. So and we are trying to explore the live integration as well, the live streaming. So it's a work in progress. Apart from that, we have 2 more features. One is SOS. So SOS, we think, is a pivotal solution to the smart thing, because anything can happen in the world, and sometimes in a life or death matter, it's that extra time which you get is important. So we have this one-click SOS here. As soon as, say, there is some security emergency, the security officer would get a notification in their phone, which is on the right side of my screen, and they'll get all the details of that seat number and the name and all, what type of emergency it is requested, and the personnel would be dispatched there. So so this is that. And the last one we have here, it's a work in progress, but we are trying to integrate the AR maps into our application. So as I said, this is a work in progress. One of my colleague who is in London right now, she has done a live recording yesterday. So this is what we have. This is implemented, but we are having roadblocks in terms of the accuracy and all. So we have a proper solution where we are trying to use the beacons and all to get more accuracy for our
Sorry,
AR
guys.
navigation.
Just if you could wrap up with 7 minutes.
Yeah.
That's all for the
Yeah,
demo.
we'll just
Manu.
probably just finish with the last note that we can integrate AML to personalize this, and we have a roadmap plan for this, and why you should take us seriously, because we are the team behind the My Telstra app, which is having more than 5 million customers in Australia, and we bring that knowledge onto the table.
Cool.
That's all from us.